Welcome to this lesson on the yield curve, a fundamental concept in understanding government securities. The yield curve is a powerful tool that helps us visualize and interpret the relationship between bond maturity periods and their corresponding interest rates. Throughout this lesson, you'll learn how to read and analyze yield curves, understand what different shapes mean for the economy, and why investors and policymakers pay close attention to these patterns. A yield curve is a graphical representation that plots the relationship between bond yields and their time to maturity. Think of it as a snapshot of the bond market at a particular moment in time. On this graph, bond yields represent the return an investor can expect to earn, while time to maturity indicates how long until the bond reaches its maturity date. By connecting these data points, the yield curve reveals important insights about market expectations, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. Every yield curve has two key components. The horizontal axis, or x-axis, represents time to maturity, ranging from short-term bonds of just 3 months to long-term bonds extending up to 30 years. The vertical axis, or y-axis, displays the yield or interest rate, expressed as a percentage. By plotting various bonds with different maturity periods on this graph, the yield curve takes shape, revealing the current interest rate environment across the entire maturity spectrum. Yield curves typically exhibit 3 common shapes, each telling a different story about economic conditions. The normal yield curve slopes upward, indicating that longer-term bonds offer higher yields than shorter-term ones. The inverted yield curve slopes downward, meaning short-term rates exceed long-term rates. The flat yield curve runs horizontally, showing similar yields across all maturity periods. Understanding these shapes is crucial because each one signals different market expectations and economic outlooks. The normal or upward-sloping yield curve is the most common pattern in healthy economic conditions. In this scenario, longer maturity bonds offer higher yields compared to shorter-term bonds. This makes intuitive sense because investors demand additional compensation for tying up their money for extended periods. The extra yield reflects both the time value of money and expectations for future inflation. When the yield curve is normal, it typically indicates that markets expect healthy economic growth in the future, with investors confident about the economy's trajectory. An inverted or downward-sloping yield curve occurs when short-term interest rates exceed long-term rates, creating an unusual and concerning pattern. This inversion happens when investors expect economic troubles ahead and anticipate that central banks will lower interest rates in response to a slowing economy. Historically, inverted yield curves have been reliable predictors of economic recessions, often appearing several months before a downturn begins. When the yield curve inverts, it signals market pessimism about future economic growth and serves as an important warning sign for policymakers and investors. A flat yield curve emerges when bonds across different maturity periods offer similar yields, creating a horizontal line on the graph. This pattern typically appears during periods of economic uncertainty or transition, when markets are unsure about the future direction of the economy. A flat curve may signal a shift from economic growth to a potential slowdown, representing a middle ground between optimistic and pessimistic scenarios. It often occurs as a transitional phase, either moving from a normal curve toward inversion or recovering from an inverted curve back to normal conditions. Understanding yield curves is essential for several important reasons. First, they serve as valuable tools for economic forecasting, helping central banks and governments make informed monetary policy decisions. Second, investors use yield curves to develop investment strategies and determine how to allocate their portfolios across different bond maturities. Third, yield curves provide insights into overall market sentiment and collective expectations about future economic conditions, inflation, and interest rate movements. By monitoring changes in the yield curve's shape, financial professionals can better anticipate economic trends and make more informed decisions about bond investments and portfolio management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.